Let's take a look at the EBSCO platform. As you remember, electronic library, databases, and foreign databases. At the end of the list, there is EBSCO platform, EBSCO books, and smart image base. So you can tap on any link, they are the same. EBSCOhost research databases, new publication finder, EBSCO discovery service, and smart image base publication finder interface are available for us. For the first year students, we recommend to use only EBSCOhost research database because it's simple. Let's change the language to English and choose databases where you want to find the information. You can select all of them or select only specific. So we will leave open dissertations for senior courses and click on everything except this. In the search bar, you can specify what you are looking for by clicking on the tab Select a field. It's optional and you can skip it if you want. And also you can use search operators such as and or not. Operators will help to add or exclude information from the search. Below you can further specify the information you want to find. Let's try to find histology book. First come journals and articles that we don't need, so we turn to the panel on the left. Here we can also sort the information. Let's narrow it down and search only in the databases eBook collection and eBook clinical collection. We have successfully found several books on histology. Now I want to read this book in full. On the left-hand side, you can select the book chapter you want. It would be more convenient to switch to full screen mode and know that there are buttons at the bottom to switch between pages. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was very useful and helpful.